Grug, listen to me. We've got to get back to that cave.
No more dark. No more hiding. No more caves.
What's the point of all this? To follow the light.
I can't change. I don't have ideas. But I have my strength. And right now, that's all you need.
No, we don't know what's over there. Maybe nothing. It's too risky.
It's a chance.
I'll take that chance.
You know, I've wanted to throw you away ever since I met you.
It's a joke, right?
What's a joke?
He made it. He made it.
Okay, Thunk. Your turn.
You're not coming, are you?
When you make it, so will I.
You did good.
Dada!
Gran!
No much. Just throw me. Wait. You surprised me today. Lunkhead.
Still alive!
Time to go.
No. I have too much to say to you. I need to fix everything, and I don't have time.
I can fix it.
This works good. What do you call it?
I was thinking of calling it a hug. Because it rhymes with Grog. But, you can change it if you want.
No. I like hug.
I love you.